Hi there, Jodes of all trades here. Welcome to another video where I will be showing you how to make homemade ice cream with just 3 ingredients. So we're going to start off with the ingredients. So first, we're going to have some heavy cream, and then we need some condensed milk. We also need our hand mixer. To whip our cream, we need a bowl and a measuring cup. That's it. So I had to shake my heavy cream really well because it was so thick. I know other persons use whipping cream, but I decided to use the heavy cream. So let's see. It turned out amazing. So we need 2 cups of heavy cream. And of course we use our liquid measuring cup, not or dry ingredients measuring cup. So there we're going for a second cup of heavy cream. I will get in every bit out because we're not wasting any money. So we're gonna scrape out as much as we can. So here we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of icing sugar or confectioner's sugar, and then we're gonna mix. So we're gonna have our hand mixer, mix this up for us for about a minute or until the peak is stiff. So when you lift your hand mixer out on medium speed, if you guys have the stand mixer, I think low speed is fine. My hand mixer doesn't have a lot of speed, so I just use the medium speed, or 1, 2, 3, those cheap hand mixers. So I'd say medium or on 1 speed, so that's the peak there you need. Right, I blended this for about 1 minute. So we're blending out, and there you go. So we're gonna add in our condensed milk. So I use roughly about half this tin, or I'd say a quarter. I think because I added the confectioner's / icing sugar, it was extremely sweet. I think the first pour here that I made was enough, but when I tasted it, it didn't taste that sweet. So when we put in our condensed milk, we're gonna fold. So I'm doing a little extra here, but you really just need to fold it in. So where I live, it's tropics, and the heat was just extreme, so everything was just melting away, but it still turned out amazing. If you're having that problem, all you do is get a bowl with ice and you put your mixture over that bowl and make sure it's sitting on the ice, and to keep everything cool. Right, so we're continuing our folding, and you would have seen where we added a little bit more condensed milk, which was not a good idea for somebody who has too much of a sweet tooth. Now we're adding our flavoring here. I'm adding vanilla. You can add what you would like. Some chocolate, make sure your chocolate is melted. Some chocolate chip, you drop them in. Cinnamon, whatever flavoring you would like, then you add that in, and you still do your. All right, so here we're coming to the end. So that's basically it. And there's my icing bowl, as I spoke about earlier. So we're pouring into a baking container. I think any container that you have, you can put it in. Persons recommend these non-stick pans rather than the glass bowls, but I've seen where they've used glass containers. So we pour that in, and we cover with some, in Jamaica we'll call it saran wrap or cling wrap. That's what it's on the package. So you cover with the clear wrap or the cling wrap, and when you do this, you're gonna ensure that the plastic is pressed right down on the surface of the mixture, like I'm doing there. Ensure that it's smoothly done and almost all the surface area is covered, because this helps your ice cream to freeze without getting any ice chunks inside. You know, you don't want any water buildup or anything to leak inside, so you have just the ice cream. And then I'm covering with some foil for some extra coverage, and you know, to keep everything nice and cool inside. Yeah, so that's it. As quick and easy as that was. You'll have some ice cream, and I think one box of the heavy cream can make quite a bit, because this lasted us for about a month. Yeah, so 6 to 24 hours. I do recommend a full 24 hours in the freezer. And there we have it, some lovely creamy, oh my god, this ice cream was so creamy, trust me, silky smooth. Right, I'm gonna try a few more flavors, so enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.